In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change workspace name on Notion. If you want to update the name of your Notion workspace, the process is very quick and you can do it directly from your workspace settings. This is useful if you're rebranding, organizing multiple workspaces more clearly, or simply correcting an old name that no longer fits. To get started, go to your Notion page and make sure you're inside the workspace you want to rename. It's important to confirm you're in the correct workspace first, especially if you use more than one, because the change will apply only to the workspace you currently have open. Once you're on the main Notion page, look to the top left corner of the screen. There, you'll see your workspace name. Click the workspace name drop-down to open the workspace menu. This menu gives you access to workspace-related options, including settings where you can update the name. After the drop-down opens, find the left-hand column in the settings area and click on General. This section contains the main details and preferences for your workspace. If you don't immediately see the name field, just give the page a second to load fully, since settings panels can sometimes take a moment depending on your connection. In the General section, locate the workspace name field and type in your new workspace name. As you enter the new name, keep it clear and recognizable, especially if other team members also use the workspace. A straightforward name can make navigation easier and help avoid confusion later. When you're happy with the new name, click Save on the right side of that same workspace name field. This confirms the update and applies the change to your workspace. After saving, your new workspace name should appear in the top left area where the old one was shown. If you don't notice the update immediately, you can wait a moment or refresh the page to make sure the change is visible. And that's it. That's how to change your workspace name on Notion. As a quick tip, after renaming a workspace, it can be helpful to double-check that the new name matches the way you organize your pages, teams, or projects, so everything stays easy to identify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.